everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the new show on Mzansi Magic from the 1st to the 5th of June 2026. The new name of the show is Kwababa on Monday. The Mkhize gathers to thank their ancestors, but a bitter uncle ignites a war over a family legacy. A young woman's birthday turns from joy to heartbreak, and an unexpected connection sparks between two strangers on the street of Midrand on Wednesday. Dumisani revealed his evil plan to Mhlaba. Zulake's speech to Solomon bears great fruit, and Ketiwe is forced to do something she doesn't want to do on Thursday. Bahumi charms her future mother-in-law. Zulake is surprised when Mhlaba changes his mind. Zulake read Musa the riot act about his behavior. Dumisani goes digging on Friday. Zulake eagerly awaits taking on his bride. Bahumi begs the elders to take it easy on the Mkhize delegation, and a broken love is restored. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment and share your opinion. Bye.